Hi friends, my name's Miss Marge and I'm one of the children's librarians at the Northeast Branch Library. Do you like to shake things? I know I do, and one of my favorite parts about library story time is when we get out our egg shakers. Today I thought that it would be fun if we sang some of our favorite egg shaker songs together. Now I understand that you might not have egg shakers at home. And if you don't, that's okay. I didn't either. Egg shakers are really easy to make just by filling a plastic egg with rice or beans, closing it tight, and then just to be careful, you just want to put a little piece of duct tape around the opening so that nothing falls out when you're playing with it. And then you have an egg shaker. If you don't have any plastic eggs at home, that's not a problem either. There are lots of things that you can find in your house to fill with beans or rice that will make it the same shaking sound. In fact, my friend Miss Summer, who is a children's librarian at the Perryville branch, she has a do-it-yourself video on our playlist showing you how you can make your own shakers. And if that's not enough, my friend Miss Heather, who is a children's librarian at the Elkton branch, she has posted a video on our playlist telling you how you can make your own maracas. So there are lots of good ideas out there for you to make your own things to shake. So let's get started with our songs. So the first song that we're going to sing is called We Shake Our Eggs Together. And that's what we're going to do. First, we're going to shake our eggs together. And then next, we're going to shake our eggs up high. And then we're going to shake our eggs down low. And last, we're going to shake our eggs in the middle. Do you know why we're going to do that? Because it's fun to do. So let's get started. We shake our eggs together. We shake our eggs together. We shake our eggs together because it's fun to do. Now we're going up high. We shake our eggs up high. We shake our eggs up high. We shake our eggs up high because it's fun to do. Now we're going to go down low. We shake our eggs down low. We shake our eggs down low. We shake our eggs down low because it's fun to do. And last, here we go, right in the middle. We shake our eggs in the middle. We shake our eggs in the middle. We shake our eggs in the middle because it's fun to do. Yay! And this is a great song for learning the names of body parts because during the song we're going to shake the egg on different parts of our body. So this is a real simple song to have fun with. Can you shake along with me, along with me, along with me? Can you shake along with me? It's easy as can be. Place the shaker on your knee, on your knee, on your knee. Place the shaker on your knee. It's easy as can be. Where should we go next? How about let's do our elbow. Place the shaker on your elbow, on your elbow, on your elbow. Place the shaker on your elbow. It's easy as can be. Now where should we try? How about our shoulder? Place the shaker on your shoulder, on your shoulder, on your shoulder. Place the shaker on your shoulder. It's easy as can be. Now where? I know. How about on our chin? That's pretty silly. Place the shaker on your chin, on your chin, on your chin. Place your shaker on your chin. It's easy as can be. Let's do one more. Where would be a good spot? I know. On top of our head. Place your shaker on your head, on your head, on your head. Place your shaker on your head. It's easy as can be. There we go. That was fun. And you can play this game with naming lots of other body parts, anything you can think of. I hope you like this one because I think this is a fun song. The next song that we're going to sing is called Who is Sleeping? And in this song, first, we're going to sing very softly and shake our eggs quietly because somebody's sleeping and we don't want them to wake up. But then we want to play. So we're going to be very noisy and shake our eggs loud because we want to play. Are you ready? The first person we're going to wake up is Mama. Mama's sleeping, don't wake her up. Mama's sleeping, don't wake her up. Mama's sleeping, don't wake her up. We must be very quiet. But now we want to go play. Wake up, Mama, we want to play. Wake up, Mama, we want to play. Wake up, Mama, we want to play. Let's be very noisy. Who else can we think of? Should we try Daddy? Okay, first we want to be quiet because Daddy's sleeping. But when we want to play, we're going to get really noisy. Let's go. Daddy's sleeping, don't wake him up. Daddy's sleeping, don't wake him up. Daddy's sleeping, don't wake him up. Let's be very quiet. But we want to play, so we have to get noisy. Wake up, Daddy, we want to play. Wake up, Daddy, we want to play. Wake up, Daddy, we want to play. Let's be very noisy. This is another song where you can make up as many verses as you like, singing it about anybody in your family or friends, your brother, your sister, your grandma, your grandpa, anybody that you want to name in this song. So have lots of fun with this one. I hope you liked it. So the last song that we're going to do today is If You're Happy and You Know It. And I'm sure you know this song, but I bet you've never done it before with shaker eggs. So the way that we are going to do it today is first, if you're happy and you know it, you give a shake. And then, if you're happy and you know it, you give a clap. And then, if you're happy and you know it, you give a tap. And finally, if you're happy and you know it, you're going to do all three. So we'll have a shake, a clap, and a tap. Okay, let's get going. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. Now we're going to do a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. Now we're going to do a tap. If you're happy and you know it, do a tap. If you're happy and you know it, do a tap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a tap. Now it's time for all three. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Good job, everybody. That was so much fun, and I'm so glad that we were able to spend time together today. Just as a reminder for parents, we just wanted to let you know that singing songs like this with shaker eggs is a big component to early literacy. Shakers are good for reinforcing the beat of the eggs, and that also helps to slow down the music so the kids can hear parts of words, and this reinforces language development. Also, egg shakers are just fun, and fun always reinforces learning. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. Thank you. Bye.